Hello sunshine, my name is Dana from Rice K Nails and my favorite thing about the summer is going to the beach. I'm so excited to share with you today Bio Seaweed Gel's brand new summer 2021 collection called Candy Paint. In today's video, I'll be showing you 8 brand new colors from the collection and also show you how to paint your at-home gel nails with the natural sunlight. That's right, no lamps needed. At BeBio, we call this SolarCure. Let's start off by showing you the brand new collection. Candy Paint is available in Unity All-in-One Gel Polish and BeBio Nail Lacquer. This brand new collection consists of 8 brights and neons in both sparkles and solid finishes. Perfect for the summer.
Let's take a closer look at the sweet new colors. This is $2.89 Sugar Coat, a pale pinky white, $2.90 Bubblegum Pop, a pale magenta sparkle, $2.91 Great Grape, a medium lavender sparkle, $2.92 Blue Raspberry, a pale cornflower blue sparkle, $2.93 Lime Thyme, a bright lime green, $2.94 Lemon Drop, a pale bright yellow, $2.95 Candy Paint, a pastel bright orange, $2.96 Cherry Bomb, a pastel bright raspberry. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below. The Candy Paint collection is in our Unity formula, which has BSG exclusive SolarCure technology. SolarCure means you can use the natural sunlight to cure your gel mani and pedi without the use of LED or UV lamp. Unity is a one-step gel polish with base, color, top, and nail strengthener all in one bottle, which makes the process even more simple. This process is highly recommended for at-home use. Some frequent questions about SolarCure are, how can you do it at nighttime, in the winter, or if it's raining? Well, the answer is quite simple. You will have to wait for a sunny day or invest in an LED UV lamp. For best results, we recommend performing a SolarCure application between 12 p.m. through 3 p.m. on a clear, sunny day. You must paint indoors when you're doing SolarCure. Otherwise, your open gel polish bottle may dry up under the sun outdoors. So remember, stay inside while painting. Now that you have a better idea on what SolarCure is, let's get started on how to do it. To perform a SolarCure gel manicure with Unity, here are the products you need. Your desired Unity all-in-one gel polish. I will be using the newest feature color $2.95 Candy Paint. File, buffer, lint-free wipes, 70% alcohol, optional no wipe top gel polish, and most importantly, the natural sunlight. Step 1. Prep and paint the first Unity coat, indoors and away from direct sunlight. Begin by prepping your natural nails. Shape your nails to your desired length and shape. Lightly buff the surface of your nails. Then be sure to cleanse your nail with 70% alcohol to remove any oils and dust. Let the alcohol completely dry and then you are ready to paint your Unity gel polish. Unity already has a built-in base and top gel polish, so there's no need to add any additional products. Give your bottle a good shake before you paint, and then you are ready to apply your first thin coat. Pro tip: have a cleanup brush dipped in alcohol handy for quick touch-ups. You want to avoid getting any gel polish on your cuticles or skin for best results. Once you have painted your first coat, you are ready to SolarCure. Carefully head outdoors to the sun. Step 2. SolarCure. Once you're outside, start a timer for 120 seconds, then place your nails to the direct sunlight. Once the timer is up, you can touch test one nail to see if the gel polish is cured. Unity has a built-in no-wipe top, so this will cure to the touch without any tacky inhibition layer. If you feel like your nails are still a little tacky, be sure to turn your nails in different directions so that the sun can properly cure each part of your nails, and then wait another 60 seconds. Touch and feel to ensure your nails are completely cured and hardened with no tacky finish. Then you can go back inside to apply your second coat of color. Step 3. Paint second Unity coat. Now when you're back inside and away from the direct sunlight, you can apply your second thin coat of Unity. Pro tip: don't worry if your first coat was not 100% opaque. Unity must be applied super thin in order to avoid peeling or chipping. If you apply the layers too thick, it won't cure evenly. You can always opt to apply 3 coats to reach your desired opaqueness. Once you have completed your second coat of Unity, you are ready to go outside and SolarCure again. Step 4. SolarCure. And we're back outside. Put a timer on for 120 seconds again and start your SolarCure. After 120 seconds are up, touch and test if your Unity is cured. Once it's super smooth and not sticky at all, you can go back inside. Step 5. Optional no wipe top. With the proper prep, application, and SolarCure technique, this Unity gel polish mani should last you 2+ weeks. I love how glossy and quick Unity cures. You get the shiny finish in 1 bottle and 2 coats with Unity.
However, you do have the option to paint 1 final coat of the Bio Seaweed Gel's no wipe top gel to protect that shine. This is the only other product that can also cure in the sun. Since I'm a nail artist, I feel like I use my hands quite often throughout the day. I will paint 1 final coat of the no wipe top gel on my nails to SolarCure.
When painting the no wipe top, be sure to paint a super thin coat. Once you're done, follow the SolarCure steps outside one last time. Remember to turn your 120-second timer and do your touch test to ensure the no wipe top is fully cured. There should be no tacky residue as this product also cures to the touch.
And there you have it. That's how you use the Bio Seaweed Gel's Unity all-in-one gel polish with an optional no wipe top gel polish. Here's our final look. We hope you enjoy seeing the new Summer 2021 collection Candy Paint and learning how to SolarCure with Unity. Make sure to follow me, Rice Kitty Nails and Bio Seaweed Gel for new monthly videos. And don't forget to use Bio Seaweed Gel's new cuticle oil. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!